I've always loved experimenting with different flavors and taste sensations. So today I'm going to show you 3 weird and wacky plants that are really easy to grow at home and you can use in a range of different ways in the kitchen. First of all, I'm going to show you Oxalis triangularis. This is actually a very popular houseplant. Very easy to grow. You can even grow it in a rockery outside. Just needs a well-drained soil and semi-shade. You can use the leaves of Oxalis triangularis as a garnish on lemon mousse, lemon cake, because it has a slightly citric flavor. So you're just gonna dot those on the top. They've got a really nice pattern as well. They look like little butterflies. So a little bit of flavor sensation for a range of sweet foods. And now for something savory. This is a plant called salty fingers, and it's a really easy to grow plant that grows in coastal locations, exposed areas of the garden. You can even grow it in window boxes. You can use the foliage fresh, and it gives a similar salty flavor as samphire does. So you can use fresh sprigs just on top of your salmon fillets. Use salty fingers in a salad, and it's also a very clever way to add natural seasoning as well. Lastly, we have a plant that originates from Brazil, and it was originally used in bushcraft to ease toothache, because this is a plant which is called buttons. It's a very easy to grow plant. You could grow it in a summer container. It's got very decorative foliage, but also these very exciting little electric daisies. These contain a compound that can actually give you a slight tingling sensation in your mouth. You only need a very small bite to get that feeling. There's a really popular way to use this electric daisy these days, and that is with cocktails. You need to chop the blooms finely, mix them up with salt, and then dip your cocktail glass into that solution. Then, when you drink your cocktail, you're getting that tingling sensation which takes the flavors to a whole nother dimension. So with this range of weird and wacky flavors, there's a way to add more excitement to not just your garden, but also what you do in the kitchen.